Hi folks, this is just a quick video where I attempt to do a little bit of plastic welding on a 1988 KLR650 front fairing. It was cracked when I purchased the bike a few months ago, so I just wanted to try my hand at doing a little plastic welding. I'm not aiming for showroom results. So here I am just melting in a little bit of bent wire to add some structural support to keep the crack from splitting. I'm using only a 25-watt soldering iron, so it actually took a little bit to get to this point to heat it up, but then the soldering iron works fine for the stitching process. So the idea is just to stitch the crack together without burning all the way through the material. Just putting in another piece of bent wire on the other end of the crack. Again, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area or using a respirator if you're doing any sort of plastic welding. That's the back side of it. So not real pretty, but you don't really see that when you're on the bike. That's the outside of it. Obviously, there's still a crack, but after doing a little bit of polishing, overall the fairing looks pretty good. Just trying just to get to that 20-footer status, so looks all right to me.